The iPhone 16 lineup is finally here, and while it may seem like just another iteration, there's a lot under the hood that sets these devices apart from their predecessors. Whether you're eyeing the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, or the iPhone 16 Pro Max, making the right decision is crucial. The differences between these models are subtle but important, and in this comprehensive guide, we're going to cover the top 10 mistakes you must avoid when buying your new iPhone 16. ProMotion display. The Pro models feature 120Hz refresh rate, providing smoother scrolling and more fluid animations compared to the base iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, which are stuck at 60Hz. While the regular iPhone 16 boasts a new 48-megapixel camera, it pales in comparison to the advanced sensor and lens technology in the Pro models, including the much-discussed 5x optical zoom in the Pro Max. While we're on the subject of displays, another crucial mistake to avoid is downplaying the importance of display quality. If you've never experienced 120Hz ProMotion, it's easy to assume that the 60Hz display on the base models is good enough. But once you've tried a 120Hz screen, you'll never want to go back. These come with USB 2.0 speeds, which have been around for over 2 decades. If you frequently transfer large files or want faster charging, this could be a bottleneck. A huge mistake people make is thinking that the base iPhone 16 models come with a drastically weaker chip compared to the iPhone 16 Pro models. But this year, things have changed. Both the base and Pro models feature the same A18 Bionic chip, built on the latest 3nm architecture. iPhone 16 Pro starts at 128GB, while the Pro Max starts at 256GB, making it seem like the Pro Max is much more expensive. iPhone 16 models now support 25-watt MagSafe charging, allowing you to charge up to 50% in about 30 minutes. Perfect for those on a budget who still want a high-quality experience with dynamic island, great cameras, and a fantastic display. There you have it. The top 10 mistakes to avoid when buying your iPhone 16. By carefully considering your needs, from camera quality to display performance, and by knowing the subtle differences between models, you can make an informed decision. Which iPhone 16 are you planning to buy? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and guides.